Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting unboxing. It's a handbag unboxing, and it's super exciting for me because I haven't purchased one of these kinds of bags or the style of bag in a little over 3 years now. So I'm super excited about this new bag, which is a birthday present to myself. So it was a bit of a splurge. So I did purchase this on my trip recently to LA. I found this bag in the Beverly Hills Chanel store. It was in the Rodeo Drive area, so it was a very nice boutique. I will say that the wait to get in the store was pretty ridiculous considering there were very few people inside, but I think I had to wait for around 30 minutes, and when I arrived there had been 2 people in front of me waiting. But yeah, it was quite the wait to get inside, and it was empty inside, so once I was inside the experience was fine. But yeah, not sure why there was the super long wait, but in the end I was able to find something that I liked, so I was very happy with the overall find. So I do have the receipt here, and I did end up getting shipped because I hadn't been expecting to make a purchase, especially a purchase of a larger item on this trip. So since I was traveling, I didn't really have space in my suitcase, and it was just easier to get it shipped. So the boutique kindly shipped it to where I live, and yeah, it was waiting for me when I got back. I think it was like 2-day shipping, something like that, like very quick and easy and secure. They have like signature upon delivery. So yeah, it was very easy. So, okay, so the box actually, I have to untie this in order to get the box out. But yeah, the shipping in the box included the bag. So that was fun, even though I didn't, walk out of the boutique carrying anything. Okay, so off comes that ribbon. Oh, gosh. This is like a bit heavy. Okay. Oh gosh. I'll just put the bag on the ground at this rate. I am a little bit surprised about how large this box is because the item I got wasn't that large. So here's the beautiful packaging. It really gets me every single time. The camellia, the ribbon, and then obviously the box says Chanel. All right, so I will do the unboxing in this view so that it's a little bit easier, but let me take off. Maybe I can just untie this. See. Nope, it is stuck on. Okay. A very sticky camellia off to the side. Undo the ribbon. Okay. So you can see there's quite some empty space here. Yeah, they definitely did not need such a large box. As you can see, there's a lot of empty space in there. So I had been surprised that it came in such a large box. But as you can see from the dust bag, it is a classic flap, which comes in the white dust bag with the quilting and Coco Chanel on the inside with Karl Lagerfeld signature. Seasonal bags and other Chanel bags come in a black dust bag usually, so only classic flaps come with the white bag. And then of course inside we have, let's see, we have a book about, I guess, how classic flaps are made in all different languages, and the icon that is a classic flap, and then there's another little folder with, I think, some care instructions and a little glove for if you need to buff or clean your bag. It's kind of the usual stuff. And then this is wrapped up pretty much all the way. It had not been like that, but you can see from the side what the color is. Okay, so let me just undo this. It was all taped up. All right. Okay, so that actually did come off very easily. So to reveal a small classic Chanel bag, flat bag in this light yellow color with champagne gold hardware. This is in the small size. It is my first small classic flap, so I'm excited to try out this size, and it is in caviar leather. So despite the lighter color, I do think it will be a little more durable. And then for the details of the bag, this is from the 22B collection, and I don't think it actually says the color on here. It just says Gold M, but I don't think this color is gold. I'm not sure, but anyway, those are the specs in case you're interested. So yeah, at this point, I think I will go back to the other view, and I will be right back. So here she is in all her glory. I will take off the little felt covering. Okay, so it did come also with the felt on the inside. I am surprised though, because it did not come stuffed. I mean, it's actually not, it's a little squishy, but it did not come stuffed. But as you can see, this one was made in France, and the lining is also the yellow color. Yeah, so I guess with all classic flaps, they have one larger pocket here. On the inside, there are like these two small pockets, as well as this small little space where you're supposed to be able to put a lipstick. I generally don't use this section at all. And then there's also like a section in the back, but it's honestly so tight, I would not be able to use that. And there is this zip pocket here, which is very small. Once again, I will not be using that. And on the back, there is, like, they call it the Mona Lisa pocket. I don't usually use that pocket. But yeah, I'm very happy and excited about this new bag. So you can wear it doubled up under your shoulder, like so. And then maybe I'll stand up a little bit. Yeah. And then you can also wear it with just one strap, which I actually think the small size looks really good with just one strap as a shoulder bag. I can put this felt down. Just one strap like so. Yeah, I'm super thrilled about my new birthday bag. So I do not have any yellow bags. So this is my first yellow bag, and I do like that it's, you know, kind of a pop of color, but not too in your face. It's definitely a muted yellow. So I do think it's a little bit more on the neutral side of the spectrum, despite being a color. And now for the price. So this was $8,200, which is just a lot of money for a bag, especially a small bag, and probably the reason why I haven't purchased a classic flap in a long time. I mean, when I had purchased a medium classic flap in 2019, and at the time I had purchased it in Europe, but it was probably worked out to be about $5,000, and that was obviously a bigger size than this. So definitely very pricey, and I don't think I'll be going out and buying loads of classic flaps anytime soon, but I did think for a special occasion, and having found a color that I liked in caviar, it was worth it to purchase this one. And I do love how the gold hardware kind of is not too flashy with the yellow color. I think it kind of blends pretty nicely, and yeah, I just really love how it looks. Probably not the most winter appropriate color, so I'll probably try to wear it as much as I can in the next couple of weeks, and then probably wait for spring, summer to pull this one out again. But yeah, so that is my new handbag purchase. Very excited to wear her and to try out the small classic flap size. I do love how it looks, but I know it doesn't fit a whole lot. It's definitely a smaller bag, so I'll have to see how that works out, because I'm someone who typically carries quite a lot of things, especially with the pandemic. I was carrying, you know, like hand sanitizer, multiple wet wipes, I need sunglasses. I just have like loads and loads of stuff. So I will see if I can slim down to make the small size work, but hopefully I can, and I would definitely sacrifice on the occasions I wear this beautiful bag. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video and have a wonderful rest of your day. I'll see you next time. Bye!